Nice. I thought that was a bag of sugar. I was about to say, whoa! Now, calm down.
Local from Durham, counterculture. We got new beans up in here. Get you a whiff. That's fantastic. I love coffee. All right, let's make a little hole. Maybe next time it'll be a cappuccino machine. Well, milk frother and everything. Bam. Let's go look at the lot. These are two SLKs, and I like them better than the Z4 for different reasons. 14 and a 16 SLK, both loaded with different options. Designo interior leather, really crazy active panoramic roof on both. We've had these for about a week now, and I've driven both of them. I love them. They don't come in a manual of this generation. They're automatic. However, what we're gonna do next week, we're gonna make a buyer's guide for these SLKs so you understand everything. I had a customer call me and say, what are the weak points? Truly, I did not know yet, but we're gonna go through both. These are both naturally aspirated V6s, plenty of power in both of them. They sound way different than the inline 6 N52 of the Z4, but they are better in some ways than a Z4 model. And let's talk about that next week. These are two SLK 350s. We got a 14 with 57,000 miles and a 16 with only 43,000 miles. High teens, low 20s, Mars red or gray. Which one are you taking? Deal of the week. I got two, and they're both first gen Z4. Z4 M Roadster, S54, one previous owner, 95,000 miles, over $6,000 worth of service work performed by our team, now priced even further below 18K. Plenty of room to throw rod bearings there if you want it. A mullet red on black, one owner. Freaking steal, it's so much car for under 20K. My second option, sold this car 3 years ago. Absolutely immaculate 2003 Z4 with 120,000 miles, enthusiast spec. Manual seat, 5-speed manual transmission, manual top. Forget your hydraulic rams and your top motor issues. It's a manual top. We've only had 3 with a manual top. The first time we got this one, we looked up, saw a handle, and we're really confused. They made a manual top for the E85 Z4. Manual seat.
Manuel?
What is it, Jay?
That's a Manuel!
It's a Manuel. Manuel top! With a 5-speed Manuel with manual buckets. It's as close as to a Miata as you can get it. And it's $8 grand. It's so much car. In beautiful condition, here for a second time at Atlas, 5-speed manual, manual seats, $8,000. I guarantee you this will be sold by the next time you come, Jay. Guarantee it'll be gone. Those are my 2 bargains of the week. Come get some.
All right, hey John, sorry for dropping all this oil, but what caused all this oil to be leaking in your driveway? I'm sorry about this.
Honestly,
it's an X3. What engine does it have?
That's the B46 motor.
B46, okay, B46, it's leaking like crazy. It's oil. If you had to guess, what would you say it is?
I'm gonna say number 1 is gonna be your oil filter housing, and then followed by your engine plugs.
Okay, well, let's take a look.
Let's go look at it.
Yep.
And that's the culprit. I don't know if you can see down there, but you can see all the oil getting sprayed out of the oil filter housing. Shocker. Reservoir tank doesn't have that much coolant in it. Shocker.
Okay.
So now we're gonna see how much oil you got in your car, or under it.
So it's looking like the oil filter housing.
Yeah. Yeah, this one's gonna get pushed back into the shop, and we gotta pull that apart and replace it.
Oh, so you already got one?
We already got one.
Nice, let's take a look at it.
Let's go look at the new one. So everyone, now that we're still on the topic of B46 oil filter housings, because they're amazing and last for so long, I'll show you the parts where they fail. So here's a brand new unit. What's happening is these ears right here are cracking, and it's causing the gasket to shift. On your X3, it leaked oil out.
Yeah.
Most of the time that we've seen these fail, they've leaked coolant. Oh. But we did have one car that actively failed here, and it literally pumped all of the oil out of the engine within about 10 minutes. And then I had to shut the car off while I was on a road test because I was getting low oil pressure lights and no oil in the vehicle. So we ended up shutting the car off, towed it back to the shop, and sure enough, this thing had split and it dumped literally all of its oil out. So if I kept driving it, this car, it would have blown up. Literally blown up on the freeway. If we started right now, there's probably 2 quarts of oil in that thing. So yeah, we're not gonna start that car until this gets replaced.
All right, well, thank you. Hey John, what are you grateful for today?
Well, it's Friday. Pretty grateful for that. It's sunny out. There's no clouds in the sky. I'm grateful for that. Family's healthy and no one's hurt, so I'm also grateful for that.
Man, that's good, man. Thanks, John. Devin, what are you grateful for today?
Friends, skateboarding, cool cars, nature.
Man, once again, Devin, man of taste. All 5 flavors up in there. Thanks, Devin.
Of course.
Hey Jay, what are you grateful for today? Well, I'm grateful for a lot of things. One of them is the fact that I'm alive, and it's just another day. I feel like as an ambassador for Christ, for me to tell someone, if you are going through anything in this crazy world that we're living in, you know, they call this the end times, then I got good news for you. There's a man who saved your life, paid for it with his blood. His name is Jesus Christ. So the fact that I get to wake up today and share that good news is one incredible reason for why I am grateful. So somebody needed to hear that.
Jay? Yeah?
Oh, that was in sync. Wow. Not Justin Timberlake.
Yeah. This Dan, not that Dan.
Dan, before you go, Dan,
wait.
Now I am calling your name. Give me this. Before you head out, real quick, what you grateful for today?
Today I'm grateful that I don't have a stuffy nose, I don't have a sore throat, I can breathe, I don't have a fever, I'm good. It feels great.
Yes. Thank you.
I am grateful for, especially this week, my C12 colleagues at our C12 group. Had our annual or monthly meeting on Tuesday. Haven't had an easy couple weeks here at work, and I always appreciate their wisdom and encouragement.
Zach, what are you grateful for today?
Man, I'm grateful that I got the chance to wake up this morning and come into a job that I absolutely love and enjoy. I have a good running car. I'm grateful that I have food in the pantry. Just the simple things. Because you'd be surprised because a lot of people don't have the means to have everything that I have. So I'm grateful for that.
Avery, what are you grateful for today?
I'm grateful for having somewhere to work, waking up this morning, another year. I'm grateful for working here at the job at Answers Lease Color District Motors for 8 years now. Yeah. I'm grateful for love towards me, family and loved ones and friends and neighbors. I'll be 48 this year. Yeah. And November the 5th. I'm grateful for being successful. I'm grateful for having clothes on my back, having a meal every day, being clean, being a nice looking, good looking, handsome man.
Yes, sir. You better tell him, Avery.
Going to the dance tonight.
Yeah. You want to dance tonight?
I'm grateful for dressing up tonight in a black tuxedo, making it top dollar, having a nice roof over my head, having a nice place to stay, coming in soon. Yeah. Independent living. I'm grateful for my brothers and sisters, aunts and uncles, nieces and nephews, being a great uncle, getting around everywhere where I want to be, what I'm supposed to be, being healthy, doctor's appointments, being a good listener, being a top basketball player.
Hold on, Avery. Nah, you're not better than me.
Being wise, staying out of trouble. I'm grateful for behaving myself, getting along with other people, associating, taking another picture at the dance tonight. We're on Roseville, and they're gonna have a dance at the Tabo dance tonight. They're gonna have food and refreshments and music.
Man, you excited for that?
I'm excited about it.
Yeah, I can tell you excited, Avery. Man, thank you. Avery had the most things to be grateful for out of all of us. And you know what? I'm not mad at that. Thank you, Avery. Love you, man.